You know what? I've said a couple times in the past that FT8 is destroying ham radio for the CW op. Well, I was a little bit too short-sighted in those videos. FT8 is destroying ham radio, period. FT8's destroying your hobby for you phone ops, or for you ops that used to be phone ops. I parked on the 17-meter band. Let's take a listen. I'd like to have a QSO with another ham and get to know him a little bit. I wonder, does he have any dog pet friends or kitty cat pet friends in the home? If so, how many? What kind? Tell me a little about their personalities. Are your kitty cats crazy? Are they wild kittens or older cats? I wonder, have you ever put a vertical on a pickup truck? Or have you ever driven a pickup truck? I wonder so many things. We live in a changing world. Wouldn't mind talking to, if he's an older guy, I'd like to get his opinion on the COVID nightmare. Or if he's a younger ham, get his or her opinion on the matter as well. I wonder if it's been a nice summer for you. Here, let's find a QSO. Well, he made me look stupid. There's a QSO in progress. But I've been listening to 17 meters for the last couple hours and heard nothing. Not one CW signal, not one phone op. And I tuned up and down the band, and I thought, well, the band's got to be dead. The band's in the doldrums except for this. 24/7. Yeah, there's a rag chew maybe I can sit and listen to while I work on a project here at the desk. There's a rag chew. Maybe I can get to know those hams a little bit. What melody to the ears. Maybe I'll just have this on in the background while I go about doing my house chores. Wouldn't you? This is your radio on ham radio. This is your radio in hobby destruction mode. 73.